Welcome to Technoland Expert. The e-commerce marketing website template shown in your images is a modern, minimalist, and highly functional online retail layout designed to cater specifically to furniture, home decor, lifestyle, and accessory stores, though its structural design is flexible enough to be adapted across different industries, and if we analyze its design elements and functionalities in detail, it becomes clear that this template is strategically developed to maximize user experience, product visibility, conversion optimization, and brand identity communication, making it a strong foundation for any e-commerce business. Beginning from the header section, the design places the brand logo Interily prominently at the top center, using modern sans serif typography with a geometric icon that conveys simplicity and professionalism, signaling to customers that this brand focuses on clean aesthetics and functionality, while the navigation menu options such as Home, Collections, Catalog, Sale, Blog, and Contact Us are aligned horizontally, providing clear pathways for users to explore the site. Home anchors the customer back to the landing page, Collections highlights curated groups of products, Catalog provides a comprehensive grid of all items available, Sale drives urgency by showcasing discounted products, Blog indicates a marketing content strategy built around lifestyle or product tips, and Contact Us provides user support and brand trust building opportunities. On the far right corner of the header is the cart functionality, which shows real-time cart updates, reinforcing user awareness of their shopping activity and encouraging them to proceed to checkout. The header is minimal with a white background and dark text, ensuring easy readability and allowing product images to take center stage below. Directly beneath the header lies the homepage hero grid section, which is divided into clickable image blocks representing different room categories: living room, dining room, bathroom, lighting, and office, each paired with high-resolution lifestyle imagery that communicates how the products look in real environments, thereby inspiring customers and encouraging them to explore products within these categories, which is a classic visual merchandising technique in digital commerce. Each block functions as both navigation and marketing. When a customer clicks living room, for example, they are taken to a filtered catalog showing sofas, chairs, coffee tables, or decor related to that setting, which not only simplifies product discovery but also increases relevance, as customers tend to shop by room or space rather than browsing an undifferentiated inventory. The use of clean imagery, abundant white space, and minimal text communicates sophistication, aligning with contemporary lifestyle branding and appealing to a target audience. Thanks for watching. If you are still watching this video, contact us and get the source code.